Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eunice. Davido flaunts 150 million naira diamond encrusted necklace with son's face on it. Says he's not here to play. It is no news that singer Davido loves lavishing money on jewels, but this time it appears he has outdone himself with his latest diamond collection. Davido hours ago shared a photo of the diamond-encrusted necklace he purchased from famous US celebrity jeweler Icebox with the caption, "I didn't come to play." The custom-made jewel had his son's face with a crown on his head as the pendant of the necklace, and the US celebrity jeweler Icebox took to the comment section to appreciate him and revealed it cost 150 million naira, which he approximated to $410,000. Guys, do you think Davido is being too much? Or what do you think? Is it because it's his first son? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.